All right, you guys, this is potatoes out of the Greenstalk. I am harvesting potatoes out of the Greenstalk. Ooh, look. Yeah, he been feeding my babies. I want to keep them in there. Look at the potatoes. Potatoes in the Greenstalk.
Keep going in there too, boy.
Yeah, I want to keep them in there. I've been feeding them. And these are grocery store potatoes. But I'm about to dump now. You ready? Look at that. Look at him. He's a big one too. This is potatoes in the Greenstalk.
Oh, look, another one.
Ooh, there go another one.
Oh, you just touching it.
That's healthy, honey. That's healthy for your soul. I mean, they go to show you that they're doing their job. Look at them.
There's another one right there too. I think maybe.
Mind you, this was only 2 potatoes that I planted. Only 2 potatoes. And they did a good job. Look at that, that's more. Ooh, there go another one. Ooh, they was feeding this soil.
There's like 4 of them.
I'm gonna put them right back up in there.
There's at least 5 of them.
I'm about to start me some more potatoes, y'all. So guess what? They going right back up in there. Putting me some more seed potatoes in there. Starting me some more seed potatoes. Yep, y'all going back up in there. I'm about to put it right back up in the Greenstalk. And do me a get me a fall harvest of potatoes. Because guess what? This Greenstalk. Give me that other potato right there. Look at that. All this, y'all. From 2, I think it was 2 or 3 of the grocery store potatoes. Greenstalk did good. This is my first time doing the white potatoes in the Greenstalk. They did very well. All right, you guys. Let me know what you think. Okay, bye.